Many men believe that women only notice guys with Hollywood looks, a perfectly toned body, and a hefty bank account. But that's simply not true. If you make a great first impression when you enter a room, women will definitely notice you. They each have their own preferences when it comes to what they find attractive in a man. Some women might be drawn to tall, dark, and handsome types, while others prefer shorter men with lighter hair. However, despite these differences in taste, there are certain things that women universally notice in a man. When they see these qualities, it can make them eager to connect and build an emotional bond. To help boost your confidence and bust some myths, I've put together a list of 10 things that women are sure to notice first. Among these, 4 are particularly popular topics of discussion among women. Stick around until the end to find out what they are. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and give this video a like. Today, we're going to explore the top 10 things that women quickly pick up on and how you can use them to your advantage. Let's jump right in. Number 1. She notices your face. Keeping your face well-groomed signals that you take good care of yourself, which women appreciate. You don't need to be conventionally handsome, but having a clean-shaven face, groomed eyebrows, and well-kept hair can go a long way. Remember how you can't help but look at someone's face when you first meet them? Women do this even more than men. A study from the University of Chicago found that women value the effort a man puts into maintaining his appearance as a significant factor in deciding whether to pursue a relationship. Number 2. She pays attention to your conversation skills and sense of humor. This is one of the most frequently discussed traits among women. It doesn't matter if you're good-looking and well-dressed. If you can't hold a good conversation, you won't get far. While women are attracted to a man's appearance and demeanor, there's an undeniable truth. A captivating conversation is what truly wins them over. When flirting, being able to engage in meaningful conversation is crucial, as it's a primary way to connect. A good chat demonstrates intelligence, genuine interest, and the ability to keep things lively and engaging. Women appreciate when a man can maintain a smooth dialogue without resorting to clichés or one-sided talks. It shows he's attentive to both verbal and non-verbal cues, ensuring a balanced and enjoyable exchange. Effective communication also reflects confidence and charisma, qualities that are incredibly attractive. Plus, being good at conversation shows you're genuinely interested in her, valuing her opinions and experiences. Asking thoughtful questions and making insightful comments show that you're paying attention and eager to learn more about her. This builds trust and comfort, which are essential for her to feel at ease and desired. In essence, mastering the art of conversation can be a key factor in winning someone over, solidifying a positive impression, and paving the way for a deeper connection. Number 3. She notices your smile. A smile is often one of the first things a woman notices, and it can reveal a lot about your personality and intentions. A genuine smile exudes confidence, friendliness, and approachability, all of which are very attractive qualities. Smiling naturally shows that you're relaxed and at ease, which helps create a welcoming and positive atmosphere. Additionally, a sincere smile can be contagious, encouraging her to feel more comfortable and open up. A smile also serves as a powerful signal of interest and empathy. When you smile during a conversation, it shows you're engaged and value the interaction, fostering a stronger emotional connection. Smiling can ease tension and make communication more relaxed and enjoyable. So don't underestimate the impact of a good conversation paired with a genuine smile. It can make a big difference in how you're perceived and in creating chemistry. Number 4. She observes your style. Whether you're well-dressed or more casual, women often discuss a man's sense of style. A man's fashion choices are a visual representation of his personality and can speak volumes about him. When a woman looks at a man's style, she notices how he presents himself to the world and how he feels about himself. A well-thought-out outfit can show confidence and a sense of self-respect, while neglecting your appearance can send the opposite message. Dirty or wrinkled clothes are a definite no-go. A strong sense of style shows that you take pride in your appearance and value the impression you make. It's not about wearing expensive clothes or chasing the latest trends, but about choosing outfits that reflect who you are and boost your confidence. Dressing well signals organization, attention to detail, and self-assurance, which are incredibly attractive qualities. Pair this with the next characteristic I'll discuss, and you'll have an even better chance of catching a woman's eye. Number 5. She observes your personality. The idea that women are drawn to bad boys isn't entirely off base. Women do appreciate kind and pleasant men, especially for close friendships. However, being overly predictable can get monotonous. A man who is always available and agrees with everything might seem easy to manipulate, which can quickly dampen her interest. There's a natural allure in a bit of challenge and mystery, traits often associated with the bad boy persona. But being a bad boy doesn't mean being rude or aggressive. It's about having a touch of unpredictability, confidence, and a positive defiance of the norm. Striking a balance between being charming and intriguing can be very appealing, creating an exciting and engaging dynamic in a relationship. Number 6. She observes your behavior. Still touching on the bad boy image, it's crucial to note that women aren't attracted to men who have a reputation for dating numerous women. A high number of past partners might suggest a lack of commitment or a preference for casual relationships. Additionally, how you treat people in your daily life, especially those who can't offer anything in return, like children, the elderly, service workers, or the homeless, matters a lot. Women pay close attention to your interactions with these individuals as it reveals your true character and values. Number 7. She notices your voice. Women are sensitive to how men use their voices. Speaking too softly can indicate low self-esteem, while speaking too loudly may suggest insecurity or a need for attention. Striking the right balance is key. Adjust your tone to fit the situation. For instance, if you're in a noisy place like a nightclub, it's okay to ask her to move to a quieter spot for a more comfortable conversation. Number 8. She observes your attention. If you're constantly checking out other women, turning your head to look at someone else, or not paying attention when she's speaking, you're likely to make a poor impression. If your friends are behaving similarly, it'll reflect badly on you too. Show genuine interest and respect when you're with her. Number 9. She watches your attitude. A confident attitude with a healthy dose of self-esteem is a big draw for women. It's no use dressing well if you're spending the whole time feeling unsure or fidgety. Relax, smile, stand tall, and avoid awkward or inappropriate comments. If you're unsure what to do with your hands, simply keep them in your pockets. Number 10. She notices your body. To impress women, paying attention to your body's appearance and health is crucial. Contrary to popular belief, it's not just about what you say or how you act. Your body shape is one of the first things women notice, so working on your fitness and dressing to highlight your natural features can make a significant impact. Number 11. She observes the size of your member. This is a topic that often comes up among women when they discuss men. Yes, women do notice the size of a man's bulge when they first see him. It's something many women comment on, although it's only one of many factors they consider. On a sunny Sunday at the beach, it's hard not to notice what's peeking out from those swim trunks. While the size of a man's member isn't the be-all and end-all for women, it can definitely catch their eye and spark some interest. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. That's it for now. See you in the next one.